Hi again, everyone. In previous session, I told you how your internal devices, which are already uh, have an assigned IP addresses, could get access through internet. So once we're talking about IP addresses, they are all uh, about layer 3 in OSI models. Okay, let me show you here. So any IP address is layer 3, but you might ask, okay, how these uh, devices uh, could know each other to the Wi-Fi router, and even they can ping each other, or how they can actually connect each other as well, and how even the router could actually uh, find for example, this PC here. And the answer is actually these days, the Wi-Fi routers are not just uh, routers, they are Wi-Fi access point, WAP. They are routers and they are switches as well. Just say it's SW. Okay, so they are already serving all three necessary functions to be, you know, to be mm, used at your home, and you know, let access to internet, and uh, let other devices, other your internal devices to connect each other. So I rather to say, okay, not just they are switches, they are L3 switches. They are layer 3 switches as well. So, okay, let me just clean up this board a bit. All right, so one important function, if I'm gonna uh, uh, explain how these IP addresses are knowing each other, I can say that uh, one important action is happening, and it is address resolution protocol. So what is address resolution protocol? You got your Wi-Fi here, which is okay. This is your Wi-Fi router. So imagine it's got a couple of ports here, and uh, well, for example, you uh, already connected your personal laptop via a LAN cable to this port. So what this uh, Wi-Fi router, which is functioning as a switch here, do is it's actually creating a table inside itself, which we call it MAC address table. MAC address table is the table which is mapping all IP addresses. So, for example, you got MAC address uh, one, which is mapping to IP one, or MAC address uh, MAC address 2 mapping to IP2. And all of these functions are happening inside your uh, Wi-Fi access point these days. Okay. Uh, and you know that every device on top of, and I have shown you in previous videos as well, once we were running that ifconfig or ipconfig command, we could see the MAC addresses of all network interface card as well. And these MAC addresses, which are actually mapping to IP addresses and knowing each other, are all through or a term relevant to layer 2 of OSI model. So I think that's enough regarding to the ARP, but let me see how much time I got. Okay, let me okay, I'll talk about another function, which is I forgot to tell about these uh, uh, Wi-Fi router, and it is firewalls. So they are actually working as firewalls as well. So let's discuss about this function in next video. Thank you very much.